Simon, let's talk about a little bit too, because I know when people are doing the 10-day juices or they're juicing in the morning or they're doing the 3-day, I'm just juicing all day long, it's time consuming. Usually people fall off of it because who has time to... Have you ever juiced? How much vegetables does it take to make a cup of carrot juice out there? I mean, you feel like you're buying the store full of vegetables, correct?
Right.
So this is an easy way. You put it in a shaker.
Yeah.
People can do it in the morning. You can do it on the go. I don't care how busy you are. You can do this program. That's what I really like about it is for us that are in a busy lifestyle in a nonstop town and go, 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 or even... It's not a lot of hassle. You don't need special equipment to do it. You get it. You get a shaker even with it. And it's quick and easy. It's a nice regimen that you follow for 10 days. And this is the thing, too. When you come off of another detox program, you're doing the detox in the bottle. You're doing these juicing recipes all over the website. What happens? People usually go right back to how they're feeling afterwards because they haven't gone through the 3 phases of detox. They've only done a portion of it. And let's talk a little bit about when you come off this detox, how you're going to still feel great. You're still not going to have the symptoms that you entered into it with, and it's worth it.
Yeah, and you're eliminating in these 10 days. I mean, you're eliminating what you've accumulated in your body all these years. So the initial detox is going to be amazing. I mean, there actually is a 28 portion of it for people that are actually feeling a lot worse. So there's this 10-day is a great a fix, a great way to introduce, but there's a 28-day if people want to take it slower and what have you. And that detox is absolutely amazing. And then again, that's another time. But for this, when a person after the 10 days, after they feel great, after they feel energized, they're going to realize they're not going to stop off at the fast food place and grab a burger or what have you, because you haven't done that for 10 days. And you realize how your body feels. After 10 days, you're going to slowly bring back different foods back into your everyday. And a person's going to feel sluggish, maybe. A person's going to feel low energy and what have you. You'll feel it. It's not like if you eat something you don't feel good. Your body knows. Your body it will signal to you. And after the 10 days, when you incorporate that back in, you'll realize, wow, maybe I shouldn't eat that much bread. Maybe I shouldn't eat that much, whatever it is.
I got to tell you, when you food eliminate and you got food sensitivities, and one of the biggest organs in our body is our stomach, our colon. And when all that inflammation is removed after detoxing and you eat something that you're food sensitive to, you don't need a $400 or $500 test to tell you what food sensitivities you are. Yeah. You just detox. If you eat this, I got to tell you, pizza and beer, I did the $600 food test and didn't realize that if you go out and you have a piece of pizza, the next day you got swelling in your hands, swelling in your feet, you feel sluggish, you got puffy eyes. These are some of the things that you don't realize how bad you were feeling when you were eating these foods. And after you detox and that colon is clean and their inflammation is down and you've cleared all these toxins, when you eat it, you don't want to eat it again or else you're going to pay the next day. Yeah,
the pizza beer detox, if I can come up with that, I think would be really, really great. But unfortunately, there's no pizza beer detox out there. And you're right. The inflammation part of it, we're not, our signals are dulled. We've been eating the same food for all these years. The signals are dulled. But once you go on this detox, it resets for you. And you will know again when you are feeling that inflammation or you're feeling just not right because you just had, whatever it may be, cheese or whatever it may be.
And I know patients that have done this before, like you said, they know when it's time to detox and maybe they need to do it more than twice a year because they start feeling them symptoms of fatigue and muscle aches and joint pain. And then when they do it, they feel so great. And you can tell when your body builds up, but you got to do it to know what it's like to feel good because we get in this daily routine where you don't feel good. And a lot of people out there don't know what it feels like to have clear thinking, to have energy, to be able to sleep at night. And if you're trying to lose weight and you're on this plateau, how you can kind of break that plateau, you just got to shake it up a little bit. And, it's beneficial. And like we said, there is nobody out there that can't benefit from this program. You can have high blood pressure. You can have diabetes. You can do this program. We're not going to drop your blood sugars if you're on medications and insulins. It's not going to hurt anybody out there that's doing it. We may have to do it at a different pace than the normal person. You may, again, like Simon had mentioned, you may need to do the 28-day where we're going slower versus doing the 10-day cleanse. And there's so many options out there. And this is where I really come at with my practice that we really individualize everybody's plan. it's not a one plan fits all. And that's again why I like this program, is because anybody can do it no matter what health problems you have and feel great after you've had it done. It just may be done in different consistency or time frame, and you'll have these benefits out there that are really substantial and really can benefit even your medications that you're using. I've seen people, they'll drop even that 5-10 pounds. They come off one of their blood pressure medications. They come off one of their cholesterol medications because they've just got the boost and they know what it feels like to be able to be active, to go out. And even, I have so many people come in and say, I have no energy to even go out and walk. I have no energy to go and do anything because I feel so bad. And a lot of this is just because the toxins and everything have built up in the body.